This is WezhiraTV, and the program is Talk of Masvingo.
Bikira tezvara womwana wangu vakasvika kumusha vakati akwete iyi huku dei yatoenda zvaye kumaplosi yatopuwa mbuya masheketi vati bikira ikadzoka kuno kwati
Mayaya. Then we're here with Dennis Risoso. Many of you know him as Mayaya from Masvingo Province, but he's here to talk about the latest project that we are doing. Welcome, Mr. Risoso.
Yeah. It's bad for an officer of the law or an arresting officer to take money from people or to be corrupt. It shortchanges the people who are supposed to be saved by Masvingo ministries. Apostle andika muzodziwa wamwari munhu unobva kuna mwari zvokuti anogona kudururirwa vakadzi nebhandi namwari direct vasiri imi animozona imi zvamaita pane zvokuti imi matendekera makafuratira kunobva museve muchita semunononga mukadashugwa nemuseve animozona zvoyo nyaya yenyu haina substance and haina value nekuti haina evidence animozona.
Yes, we have witnessed an amazing rehearsal that you guys are doing. Tell me, can you tell us more about the project that you're doing?
Yeah, I appreciate it if you say amazing, because at the end of the day it gives us the zeal to continue doing it. But what we are doing right now, the project that we are doing is we have now thought of attacking the real issues, the real things that are affecting the ordinary Zimbabweans. To take corruption by the neck and say, let's do it the real thing than to try and create or imagine things. So right now we have a project, Inspector Mayaya, the Seed of Corruption, which we think if we do it well enough with the support of the guys who are supporting us and Magical Films, I think we're going to take it to the levels that we really want it, because we think that this can appeal more because it can be associated with the people who are affected by these things day in, day out. So this project, we've got actors who some of you know already. We've got Jojola, Joram, and the director, Mr. Zatsunga, and Magical Films is not new to film industry in Zimbabwe. They did that project, which many of you know me as Sergeant Mayaya from. They did that. So right now they are supporting this thing, and we think that if we take this thing to the levels that we really want, it can be good with the appreciation of everyone. Saka mufamba mundinunga mabhuruku akuti muye mutikonvinza vanhu kuti munhu wamwari anenge akurepa ini.
Naye officer Mayaya. Komani.